Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask to buy crypto. First, you'll need to install the MetaMask browser extension. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, keeping your recovery phrase safe and private is absolutely crucial for the security of your funds. Never share it with anyone, and always double-check you are on the official MetaMask site. Now that your wallet is set up, you need to fund it. You can find your unique wallet address at the top of the MetaMask interface. It starts with 0x. You can transfer existing crypto from a centralized exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, directly to this address. Alternatively, MetaMask offers integrated services allowing you to purchase crypto using fiat currency, such as US dollars, directly within the wallet interface. With funds in your MetaMask, you can now buy other cryptocurrencies using a decentralized exchange, or DEX. Navigate to a DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap and connect your MetaMask wallet. Choose the token you want to swap from and the token you wish to receive. The DEX will show you the exchange rate and estimated gas fees. Always review these details carefully before confirming your transaction in MetaMask. Finally, managing your assets in MetaMask is straightforward. Your wallet displays your main cryptocurrency balances. If you've acquired a token not automatically shown, you can easily add it as a custom token using its contract address. MetaMask also provides a clear transaction history, allowing you to review all your past swaps and transfers, along with the gas fees paid. This helps you keep track of your portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.